Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk about something that actually came up with one of my patients a few days ago, and that is something that helps stroke recovery way more than people seem to realize. And that is the concept of repetition. A lot of times after stroke, you can start to feel like you need to be doing big, fancy, technical, or really intense workouts or exercises to make progress. But that just isn't true because some of the biggest improvements and progress made after a stroke come from small, simple movements practiced consistently and repeatedly throughout the day. That's where repetition comes in because repetition is what helps you strengthen the connections between your brain, the nerves, and then the muscles over time. You already know that doing lots and lots of repetitions during focused and specific exercises is critical as well. And it should be a core part of your recovery routine. But what are some of the not so structured opportunities for getting reps in that you might be missing? Meaning, what could getting repetitions in look like in a practical way during your day to day, right? So here are some examples. Practice sit to stand. So just standing up and sitting down over and over again, safely and with assistance if you need it. Going from lying down to sitting at the edge of the bed and back again, over and over again. Using your affected hand and arm for everyday activities like washing your face, brushing your teeth, eating finger foods, eating with a utensil, combing or brushing your hair, holding a hair dryer. You can be practicing handwriting, typing on a computer keyboard or on a tablet screen, typing a text, obviously holding a drink from a cup or a water bottle, unloading groceries, or putting groceries away in the cabinet or onto the counter, getting something out of the refrigerator, putting dishes in the dishwasher, organizing small items or your toiletries, sorting through your mail, drawing a picture, painting a picture. And if finger and arm movement is limited or weak, just find and use adaptations and adaptive equipment to help you use your weaker arm for any of these tasks. This is actually where occupational therapists, us OTs, this is where we really excel, finding new and different ways of doing a task. So please let me know where you might be struggling. And if you have no movement in your arm or leg, I want you to still engage in as many tasks as possible. You will likely need to set things up differently, but use your affected side to hold or stabilize whatever you're working with. Like hold down a paper that you're writing on, your weak arm holds it. Do weight bearing through that arm or leg while you're doing a task with your other hand. I mean, the sky is really the limit. But so often, these day to day tasks, they are really become missed opportunities for recovery, opportunities to get these repetitions in, to get engagement on what that weaker side. It's like leaving money on the table. You don't want to do that. Like I wouldn't. Repetition, repetition, repetition is the money, okay? These small efforts that you make now will add up. So please don't leave anything on the table. Get those reps in any way possible every day, okay? If you need more suggestions or if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment and let me know. And as always, I hope this was helpful and I will see y'all next time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY videos to help you along the way in your stroke recovery. Struggling at home? Have a question? Leave me a comment. I'm here to help.